The following message is transmitted at the request of the Miami Police Department. MPD is tracking and receiving 911 calls of citizens getting attacked and ambushed by the known Medellin Cartel in the state of Miami-Dade County, Florida. At this known time, several hundred people have got shot and attacked. Citizens, please take the following precautions. Go to a safe spot. Lock all doors/windows. Keep quiet and have the following amenities with you: food, water, radio, and a blanket to keep warm. All that is known at this moment is the leader of the group, Don Pablo Emilio Escobar Gaviria. Stay tuned to this station for more updates and call 911 if you are in need of EMS or police.